Coming at you. 1, 2, buckle my hat. Looks like this one's going for $1,000. Let's see how you handle this one. Let's say Plymouth wants to make a car to commemorate the landing of the Pilgrims at Plymouth Rock. What will they most likely call it? The Beagle-mobile, the Mayflower compact car, the Santa Maria 1492, or the Goodspeed 1606? The Mayflower Compact was a prelude to our own Constitution, drawn up by the Pilgrims shortly after landing in America in 1620 on the Mayflower. The Mayflower Compact car probably really would handle like a rock.